Hey everyone, and welcome. This week's recipe review is Traditional Shakshuka from Downshiftology. Shakshuka is a classic North African and Middle Eastern dish. It's a simple combination of tomatoes and onions, garlic and spices, with poached eggs on top, and it all comes together in one pan. So stay with me and we'll get started. Okay, so this recipe was super easy to make. I was looking for something that was easy, quick, and healthy, and since I love Mediterranean food, this caught my attention. I had never heard of shakshuka before, and when I saw it, I knew I wanted to make it. One of the main things that attracted me to it is everything comes together in one pan. For the eggs, I poached them for the full 8 minutes because I wanted my yolks to be set. I also covered them with a lid to speed up the process, and it worked out well. Now on to the taste test. You can see how well the egg yolk cooked. That's how I wanted mine for this dish. The flavor was outstanding. The tomatoes, onion, and garlic paired well with the richness of the egg. I was a little surprised that it wasn't very spicy. It tasted somewhat mild but was very good. Of course, you could always add more chili powder or even some cayenne or red pepper flakes to really kick it up a notch. But as is, it was delicious. Overall, this was easily a 5-star dish. It delivered on being easy and delicious, plus it was healthy, filling, and vegetarian. My wife and I had this for dinner, but it would easily work for a meal any time of day. So if you're looking to try something different that's healthy and easy to put together, give this shakshuka a try. I'm sure you'll enjoy it too. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have a recipe that you would like me to review, be sure to leave the information in the comments below. Also, feel free to check out my other reviews in my breakfast recipes playlist.